Wait for me, Ru. Oh, short legs is there. Where are we gonna go, Ru?
My container truck. Look what happened to my.
Wow, I like your container truck.
It turned to a garbage truck. Now it turned to a steady home.
Okay, let's go there to the light, Ru, so that...
But
Come here.
It can be a semi-hollow transporter truck.
Wow, semi-hollow
Turned to a
transporter.
container truck.
Okay, let's go. Where are we gonna go?
Baby, I think I learned out of oil.
Let's go.
So I'll fill it with no gas.
Okay, let's go, Ru.
No gas of this truck. It has 100 gas.
Wow, where are we gonna go, Ru?
I think we'll go.
We're gonna go buy cooking oil, Ru.
Yeah, but let's just see that.
Be careful, Ru. That's a dark place, Ru.
You come.
Wait, Ru. Oh no, there's a tent again. Okay.
How do I get there?
I don't know, let's go. Maybe someone's sleeping there.
In the tent?
Yes, I think we're lost again, Ru. Ru, I think we're lost. Ru, I think we're lost again, Ru.
I think we should go.
Oh no, short legs is there. Let's go.
I think we should go this way.
No, we're gonna go here.
Yeah, that way.
Yes. Okay, wait, there's a car. Stay on the side, Ru. Come here. Short legs are there. The dogs are there again, Ru. Wait,
It's not a
wait, be
car.
careful. You might
Oh,
fall
it's
down
a
there, Ru.
car.
What?
It's a van.
Yeah, it's a van. Let's go.
It has no light.
Yes.
Daddy?
Wait, there's another.
Oh,
Wait, stay on the side, Ru. Wait, not too much on the side. Where will we go?
I think we'll go at the stop.
What?
It's so bright.
Yeah, it's so bright.
Now it's dark again. Daddy?
Ru,
But when you go away, by what they lead us?
I think it's a dead end, Ru. We already went.
No, it's not a dead end. I think it's a dog dead end. They are sleeping.
Yes, look.
I can see anything.
It's a nice place also, Ru.
Yeah.
Let's go. There's another car. Stay on the side, not there, here. Wait. Gonna hold you, Ru.
Yeah.
We're gonna go buy cooking oil.
Oil.
Wait. We're gonna go buy cooking oil.
This
Wait.
door, that door.
There.
This door.
Wait, who are those? Who are those two? Who are those two?
He's walking.
What's that? Who are they?
Shadow.
A shadow. Come here. Go buy
I know.
in the store, Ru.